This is part 2 because my camera had to be a butt. But the water is not boiling, and what it says on the packet does not matter. You want to break up your ramen noodle thing into pieces. Put those in. Put the big pieces in first. Then take whatever is in your bowl. Dump it in. Make sure you get all of it. That is the heat. What can't? Okay, y'all can. I'm at an angle. Okay? Then you want to cut your heat down from high to 7. So guys, I've got to see what you got to do. If you got a timer, this works, but hurry up. Set a timer for 3 minutes. While that takes, I'm going to stir this. I get to watch it move. Sorry guys, it's going to be 3 minutes of part 3. Hot! Oh guys, if it gets too hot, turn it down to medium. Y'all cannot see this, but like I literally cannot see straight through. Ow! Ramen. Wait, is that set? Oh no. Three minutes, you want to stir constantly. It does not matter that says occasionally. If you want the best noodles, you stir constantly. Okay guys, I need the fan on. Oh, that feels nice. That fan is cold. Oh my gosh, I just got a shock from the spoon. This is not a spoon, guys. Don't get your silverware mixed up. Can you see that? Guys, let me know if y'all want to see how I cook more things. Okay, guys, it stopped boiling, so I'm turning it up to 6. Now you want to turn the heat off. Take your little flavor packet, open that up. Dump the contents in. Get all that content. And stir occasionally for about 1 minute. It says for 1 minute or until it's dissolved. Don't touch the oven top like me. Here's my bowl. So you gotta look at this. Product is very hot. Allowed to cool, serve, and enjoy. How do we allow it to serve itself? See, read the last one, number 3. It's not dissolved. Make sure you get all the noodles in there. Okay, ready? Take it, put it under your hand for a minute. And down your nose. Mr. Noodle. Now it's not perfect, whatever. You want to make sure you get the noodles first, more than the liquid. Hold it over the bowl with the corner so that way it's centered. Remember guys, you only want some of the liquid because the liquid keeps it hot forever, and also then you won't have any noodles. Okay, you cannot see through this liquid at all. I'll show y'all. Sorry for the bad camera. liquid at all. I don't think so. But guys, this is the upper camera. I could have done this the whole time. How stupid. Well guys, part 3 is going to be how to prepare this.